Hello guys, to all my viewers old and new, welcome to my channel. I'm cooking wet fried Kuku Kienyeji, which you may know as hard chicken or free range chicken. I start by cleaning the chicken and vegetables. Then I chop a small onion and add it to the pot along with the chicken, garlic and ginger paste, salt, vegeta, coriander powder and black pepper. I cover these ingredients with water, mix to combine and cook on a medium to high flame. Note that I don't add any oil because I like to add it later if the chicken doesn't release too much oil. As this is cooking, I chop the coriander. I separate the stems from the leaves and add the stems to the pot, chop the onions and set them aside. Meanwhile, I let the chicken cook until it softens. Though it takes a long time to cook, this chicken dish is very delicious. It took just over 2.5 hours for the chicken to soften to my liking. However, you can cook it much faster in a pressure cooker. Once the chicken is cooked and the water has reduced, I fry the chicken in its own oil for a minute or two. I now add the onions followed by the tomatoes and continue frying without adding water. I didn't add any oil because the oil from the chicken was just right. I add paprika, cumin powder, garlic paste and a tiny bit of water. I allow 5 minutes for these spices and garlic to blend in. Then in goes the coriander leaves. Cook for another minute and our kienyeji chicken is ready. The aroma in the kitchen is so good, and the taste didn't disappoint. I finished cooking this late at night, so we had it for lunch on the next day. We paired it with ugali and sukuma wiki. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please like, comment, share, and consider subscribing to my channel for many more simple recipes. If you try this recipe, kindly let us know how you go in the comments below. Thanks for watching and bye for now.